Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to recover deleted message on Messenger. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and log in Facebook account. Look at this, my Facebook account dashboard. Now I am showing easy method step by step, so follow my whole process. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon and then settings and privacy, then settings. Left corner, scroll down, download your information, tap on this, continue and request a download. And now shown here two options. Now I am select second option and select only message option, then next, and now finally tap on submit request. You need to just somehow waiting, then Facebook team automatically send you message in your email address. Then you need to just zip file to convert unzip. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial River channel for more video.